You need to watch this if you struggle with understanding databases. I'll show you how they power our digital world in simple terms. Ready? Let's dive in. Every app, website, and business you interact with relies on databases to store, manage, and retrieve data. But what exactly is database management? Picture this. It's like a super organized digital library where everything has its place. From banks keeping your account info to hospitals tracking patient records, databases are everywhere. So, how did we get here? Let's take a quick ride through history. In the 1960s, we started with flat file databases. Fast forward to the 1970s, and Edgar F. Codd introduced relational databases. The 80s and 90s saw SQL databases like Oracle and MySQL taking the stage. Then came the 2000s with NoSQL databases like MongoDB, perfect for big data. Today, cloud-based and AI-powered databases are the new rock stars. Some key players in this field? Think IBM, Oracle, and Microsoft in the US and Alibaba in China. Tools like PostgreSQL, MongoDB, and Google Cloud Spanner are some of the big names. They help businesses scale up, ensure data security, and even optimize performance. Databases have gone from bulky server rooms to sleek cloud solutions. AI now helps in managing data efficiently, with real-time processing and even blockchain ensuring tamper-proof storage. So, the next time you order food online or check your bank balance, remember, it's all powered by databases. What do you think about the future of databases? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.